Erectile dysfunction is a condition that affects millions of men worldwide. But it doesn't happen overnight. It often starts with subtle warning signs that many men ignore. Erectile dysfunction is not just about being unable to achieve or maintain an erection. It can also be a symptom of deeper health concerns, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, hormonal imbalances, or psychological stress. Recognizing the early signs of erectile dysfunction is crucial because it allows for early intervention, potentially reversing the issue before it becomes chronic. In this video, we will explore the early warning signs of erectile dysfunction, their possible causes, and what you can do to address them before they worsen. Let's get started. 1. Reduced morning or spontaneous erections. Healthy men typically experience morning erections due to fluctuations in testosterone and increased blood flow during sleep. These spontaneous erections are a sign of good vascular and neurological function. If you begin to notice a decrease in morning erections, or they disappear altogether, it might be a sign that your body is struggling to produce enough testosterone or that circulation issues are beginning to develop. A decline in spontaneous erections could also point to nerve dysfunction, often linked to conditions like diabetes, multiple sclerosis, or spinal injuries. 2. Frequent urination or prostate problems. Frequent urination, especially at night, may indicate an enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. The prostate gland plays a crucial role in male reproductive health, and conditions affecting the prostate can interfere with sexual performance. Men with prostate issues often experience erectile dysfunction, as the enlargement of the gland can compress nerves and blood vessels that are essential for achieving and maintaining an erection. If you're noticing a need to urinate more often or have difficulty emptying your bladder, it's important to check for prostate-related concerns. 3. Longer recovery time between erections. As men age, it is normal for the recovery time between erections to increase slightly. However, if you start noticing a significant delay in your ability to achieve another erection after ejaculation, it may indicate a deeper problem. This prolonged recovery period could be a sign of low testosterone levels, poor blood circulation, or underlying cardiovascular disease. Since testosterone plays a crucial role in libido and erection frequency, a drop in its levels can make it harder to recover between sexual activities. 4. Fatigue and lack of energy. Chronic fatigue is another warning sign of developing erectile dysfunction. Since erections require energy, stamina, and proper hormone levels, ongoing exhaustion may indicate an underlying health problem affecting sexual performance. Fatigue can result from poor sleep, stress, hormonal imbalances, or medical conditions like anemia and hypothyroidism, all of which are linked to erectile dysfunction. If you're constantly feeling tired and sluggish, it's worth investigating whether it's connected to your sexual health. 5. High blood pressure and poor circulation. Since erections rely on healthy blood circulation, any condition that affects vascular health can contribute to erectile dysfunction. If you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or a history of heart disease, your risk of erectile dysfunction is significantly higher. High blood pressure can damage the delicate blood vessels in the penis, reducing their ability to expand and fill with blood. Over time, this can lead to persistent erectile difficulties. Checking your cardiovascular health regularly and managing blood pressure through diet, exercise, and medication, if needed, can help prevent or improve erectile dysfunction symptoms. 6. Subtle changes in erection quality. One of the first signs that erectile dysfunction may be developing is a subtle decline in the quality of erections. You may still be able to get an erection, but it may not be as firm or as long-lasting as before. This can happen gradually, making it easy to dismiss as a temporary issue. If you notice that your erections are not as rigid as they once were, it could indicate that blood flow to the penile tissues is weakening. Since erections rely on strong circulation, any disruption in blood flow, caused by high cholesterol, hypertension, or early-stage vascular disease, can result in softer erections. 7. Decreased sexual desire, low libido. Erectile dysfunction and low libido often go hand in hand. If you find that your interest in sex has diminished significantly, it could be due to declining testosterone levels, high stress levels, or psychological concerns such as anxiety or depression. Men experiencing a drop in libido should consider getting their hormone levels checked. Low testosterone can affect more than just erections. It can lead to fatigue, mood changes, and even muscle loss. 8. Increased performance anxiety or stress about erections. Many men who start experiencing mild erectile difficulties develop performance anxiety, which makes the problem worse. If you find yourself constantly worrying about whether you will be able to perform sexually, the added stress can lead to psychological erectile dysfunction. Performance anxiety can cause the release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which constrict blood vessels and make it harder to achieve an erection. Over time, this mental stress can turn a temporary problem into a chronic one. 9. Difficulty maintaining an erection. Another early red flag is the inability to maintain an erection throughout sexual activity. You might find that you can get an erection easily, but it fades before completion. This can be frustrating and may lead to anxiety, which only worsens the problem. If this happens occasionally, it might be due to stress, fatigue, or alcohol consumption. However, if it becomes a frequent issue, it could indicate deteriorating blood flow, nerve damage, or declining testosterone levels, all of which contribute to erectile dysfunction. 10. Difficulty achieving an erection even with stimulation. In the early stages of erectile dysfunction, some men notice that they require more direct stimulation to achieve an erection. If you used to become aroused easily but now need intense physical stimulation or additional time to become erect, it could indicate that your blood flow is diminishing or that your nerves are not responding as efficiently as before. This issue is especially common in men who smoke, have high blood pressure, or suffer from conditions like diabetes, which can damage nerves and impair blood circulation. What to do if you notice these early signs? If you recognize any of these warning signs, the good news is that early intervention can often reverse erectile dysfunction before it becomes a severe issue. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Improve your diet. A heart-healthy diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats can improve circulation and support testosterone production. 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity, especially cardio and strength training, boosts blood flow, reduces stress, and enhances libido. 3. Reduce stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can lower testosterone and contribute to erectile dysfunction. Meditation, deep breathing, and relaxation techniques can help. 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for hormone production and recovery. Poor sleep can reduce testosterone levels and increase the risk of erectile dysfunction. 5. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels, and excessive alcohol can impair nerve function, both of which can contribute to erectile dysfunction. If you're experiencing persistent erectile issues, consulting a doctor can help identify underlying health problems, such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, or hormonal imbalances. Remember that erectile dysfunction doesn't happen overnight. It often starts with subtle warning signs that many men ignore. By paying attention to changes in erection quality, libido, energy levels, and overall health, you can take proactive steps to prevent erectile dysfunction from worsening. Addressing the root causes, whether they're related to lifestyle, hormonal imbalances, or medical conditions, can not only improve sexual function but also enhance your overall well-being. Don't wait until the problem becomes severe. Early action can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need to hear this, and subscribe for more content on men's health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.